Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be really interesting and helpful, especially if you love decorating your home or want to make your kitchen look more fresh and lively. You know, the kitchen is not just a place where we cook food, it's actually the heart of the home. It's where we spend a lot of our time every single day. So why not make it look beautiful, refreshing, and full of life? And one of the easiest ways to do that is by adding indoor plants. Indoor plants not only improve the look of your kitchen, but they also make the environment feel more natural, clean, and positive. Some of them are even useful in cooking, which makes them perfect for this space. So in today's video, I'm going to share the top 10 indoor plants for kitchen decoration, along with simple care tips and why they are perfect for your home. Make sure you watch till the end, because you might find your next favorite plant. Alright, let's get started. Aloe vera is one of the most practical and attractive plants you can keep in your kitchen because it brings both beauty and usefulness together in one plant. Its thick, fleshy, green leaves give a clean and modern look that fits beautifully in almost any kitchen style, whether your kitchen is simple, stylish, or traditional. What makes aloe vera especially special is that it is not just a decorative plant, but also a very useful one, since the gel inside its leaves can be used for minor burns, skin irritation, and other home care needs. It is also very easy to maintain, which makes it perfect for beginners or for people who do not have much time for plant care. Aloe vera grows best in bright sunlight, so a windowsill or a sunny corner of the kitchen is the ideal place for it. It does not need frequent watering, and in fact, too much water can harm it, so this is one of those plants that does better with less attention than too much care. A neat ceramic, clay, or white pot can make aloe vera look even more elegant and decorative, turning it into a beautiful green accent piece in your kitchen. Mint is a refreshing and fast-growing plant that can make your kitchen feel cooler, fresher, and more lively the moment you place it inside. Its bright green leaves and crisp fragrance create a natural freshness that is very pleasant in a space where food is prepared daily. Mint is incredibly useful in the kitchen because it can be used in tea, drinks, desserts, garnishes, and many other recipes, making it one of the most versatile herbs you can grow at home. It does not need a lot of complicated care, but it does prefer regular watering and a little sunlight to stay healthy and green. Since mint grows quickly and spreads easily, it is usually best grown in a separate pot so it has enough room and does not take over other plants. The scent of fresh mint alone can make your kitchen feel more refreshing and natural, almost like a little home garden. Because it is both beautiful and useful, mint is one of the best choices for a kitchen plant, especially if you enjoy fresh herbs in your cooking. Spider plant is the most elegant and beginner-friendly indoor plants you can use for kitchen decoration. Its long, arching leaves create a soft, flowing appearance that looks beautiful in hanging baskets, wall planters, or on high shelves where the leaves can fall naturally. This graceful shape adds movement and freshness to the kitchen, making the space feel more open and alive. Spider plant is loved by many people because it is very easy to care for and does not demand much attention, which makes it ideal for busy households. It grows well in indirect sunlight and only needs moderate watering, so it is a great option for people who want greenery without too much effort. Another wonderful quality of spider plant is that it is known for helping improve indoor air quality, which can make your kitchen environment feel cleaner and more refreshing. It is a simple but highly effective plant for adding a soft, natural, and peaceful touch to your kitchen. Basil is one of the most useful and charming indoor plants you can place in your kitchen because it adds freshness, fragrance, and function all at the same time. Its soft green leaves have a lovely natural aroma that instantly makes the kitchen feel more alive and inviting. Basil is also a very important herb in cooking, used in many dishes such as pasta, pizza, salads, soups, and sauces, so having it nearby makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. One of the best things about basil is that it grows quickly when given proper sunlight and regular watering, which means you can enjoy fresh leaves often if you care for it well. It looks especially beautiful in a small pot placed near a sunny window or on a kitchen shelf where it can receive enough light throughout the day. Regular trimming helps basil grow fuller and healthier, so the more you harvest it, the better it can become. Basil is a perfect choice for anyone who wants a plant that is not only decorative but also useful in everyday life. Rosemary is a beautiful and highly useful herb that can bring a very special touch to your kitchen decoration. Its narrow, needle-like leaves and strong, fresh fragrance make it stand out from many other indoor plants. Rosemary gives the kitchen a natural, herbal feel that is both elegant and comforting. It is especially valuable because it can be used in cooking, particularly in roasted vegetables, soups, grilled dishes, bread, and meat recipes, so having it nearby is very convenient. Rosemary grows best in bright sunlight and prefers soil that is slightly dry rather than too wet, so it does not need heavy watering. Because of its upright shape and rich green color, it looks wonderful in terracotta pots or rustic containers that give the kitchen a warm and natural look. Rosemary is one of those plants that makes the kitchen feel more alive, more aromatic, and more connected to fresh home cooking. Snake plant is the strongest, most reliable, and most stylish indoor plants you can place in your kitchen. Its tall, upright leaves give it a bold and modern look that instantly adds structure and elegance to the room. Because of its neat vertical shape, it works especially well in corners, beside cabinets, or in empty spaces where you want to add height and a clean design element. One of the biggest reasons people love snake plant is that it is extremely easy to maintain. It can survive in low light, needs very little water, and can handle a variety of indoor conditions without much trouble. This makes it one of the best plants for people who are new to gardening or who often forget to water their plants. Snake plant is also known for helping improve indoor air quality, which makes it a healthy choice for a kitchen space. Its clean lines, dark green tones, and low-maintenance nature make it both beautiful and practical. Parsley is a small but incredibly useful plant that fits beautifully into kitchen decoration, especially if you have a compact space. Its bright green leaves add a fresh, lively touch that makes the kitchen feel healthier and more natural. Parsley is also a practical herb because it is often used in garnishing, seasoning, and cooking, so having it nearby can be very convenient while preparing food. It grows well in small pots and does not require too much space, which makes it ideal for windowsills, countertops, and shelves. Parsley likes regular watering and enough sunlight, and it grows best when trimmed from time to time. Its neat appearance and useful nature make it a great choice for people who want their kitchen to look green while also having fresh herbs ready for daily use. Even though it is a simple plant, parsley adds a lot of freshness and purpose to the kitchen. Areca palm is the beautiful and refreshing indoor plants you can add to your kitchen if you want to create a bright, tropical, and lively atmosphere. Its long, feathery green leaves spread out gracefully, giving your kitchen a soft and airy feel that instantly makes the space look more open and vibrant. Unlike smaller plants, Areca palm adds a sense of volume and presence, making it perfect for empty corners or areas where you want to create a strong visual impact. It grows well in indirect sunlight, so placing it near a window or in a well-lit corner of your kitchen works perfectly. This plant prefers light watering and slightly moist soil, but it does not require too much maintenance, which makes it suitable even for beginners. Another great benefit of Areca palm is that it helps improve indoor air quality and adds a natural freshness to the environment. When placed in a stylish pot, it can completely elevate the overall look of your kitchen, making it feel more lively, relaxing, and connected to nature. Pothos is a very popular indoor plant because it is both beautiful and extremely easy to care for, making it a perfect choice for kitchen decoration. Its heart-shaped leaves and long trailing vines create a soft, flowing look that can instantly brighten up shelves, cabinets, and corners. Pothos works especially well in kitchens because it can be placed almost anywhere and still continue to grow gracefully. It is a low-maintenance plant that tolerates different lighting conditions, which means it can do well even if your kitchen does not receive full sunlight. This makes it ideal for beginners or anyone who wants greenery without too much effort. Pothos is also very useful for filling empty spaces and adding a natural touch to a room without making it feel crowded. Its cascading leaves create a calm and relaxed feeling, making the kitchen look fresh, stylish, and full of life. It is one of the easiest ways to add greenery in a simple but beautiful way. Peace lily is one of the most elegant and graceful plants you can use to decorate a kitchen. Its dark green leaves and beautiful white flowers create a soft, clean, and sophisticated appearance that can instantly make any space feel more peaceful and refined. It is especially a great choice for kitchens that need a touch of softness and beauty without looking too busy. Peace lily grows well in indirect light, which makes it suitable for indoor spaces where sunlight may not be too strong. It is also fairly easy to care for, since it usually shows clear signs when it needs water by slightly drooping its leaves. This makes it a friendly plant even for beginners. Another reason peace lily is so loved is that it is known for helping improve indoor air quality, which makes the kitchen feel fresher and healthier. Its combination of beauty, simplicity, and usefulness makes it a very classy plant for home decoration. So, those were the top 10 indoor plants for kitchen decoration that can completely transform your space. You don't have to get all of them at once, just start with 2 or 3 plants and slowly build your own green kitchen. Adding plants not only makes your kitchen look beautiful, but it also creates a fresh, positive, and relaxing environment. Now I'd love to know from you, which plant did you like the most? And which one are you planning to add to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.